When HOA Officer Evelyn Carter began her duty that evening, she sensed danger in the air. Weather alerts confirmed her fear. A powerful snowstorm was racing toward Northpine Town, threatening lives within hours. Without hesitation, Evelyn activated the emergency system and warned residents to stay indoors and avoid all travel. While responsible citizens like Daniel Brooks secured their homes, others ignored the announcement, believing it was another exaggerated HOA warning. Suddenly, the sky darkened, violent winds howled through the streets, and heavy snow swallowed roads and power lines. Chaos spread across the town, but Evelyn remained focused inside the control center, monitoring the disaster unfold. Her timely warnings saved countless families from being trapped outside in deadly conditions. That night proved that HOA duty is not just about enforcing rules. It is about protecting lives when no one else is ready to act.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for new updates.